today I'm making this video as one of my friends requested me to make a video on how to upload a video on YouTube. And if you are watching my video for the first time, then please consider subscribing to my channel and don't forget to like and comment and then share with your friends and family to support. Dang para ja video gotte ga tenze YouTube ka di Ugyen Tenzin and lam show video through ga click pin thani subscribe itu makan jaro ka bell icon to bell icon to press and lam show press and chunde ke nan tabula bola video kiti upload ala do nan the notification shaking chole. If you have a video or a video that you have made by yourself, you think that this video contains some information and that information will help the other people, your friends and family, and you want to share it. How you would do it? You can do it this by sending through your USB drive and recording it to the disc and playing it on the media devices like laptop or mobile phone. But you can do another way also by uploading it to social media. The most easiest way to do is that upload the video to YouTube and share the URL link with your friends or anybody you want to share it. That will be the best thing to do. And to upload video on YouTube, there are two ways to do it. You can do it from your mobile phone as well as from your laptop or a PC that you have. The procedure will be almost same. And today I will show you how to upload a video on YouTube from my laptop screen. And for uploading the video to YouTube, there are some steps. First of all, you need a valid Gmail account. How to upload video on this is 2010 version of my laptop. You can see there are several browsers like Internet Explorer, Firefox and Google Chrome. You can use any of this browser. So today I'm going to use this Google Chrome. Go to YouTube. As you can see, you can go to YouTube. You have to look for the upload icon for uploading videos to YouTube. As you can see here, create a video or post. This is the icon for uploading the video on. To do that, you need to sign in with your Gmail account. You can click here to sign in your Gmail account. As you can see, my Gmail, as I have already signed in before, you can see my Gmail account this way. Click here and it prompts for the password. Password is I think already there. You can type your password. And then sign in. Then you go to the YouTube upload icon, upload a video. For uploading a video on YouTube channel, you need to have a video file, as I have already saved into my folder, like how to upload a video on YouTube. You can see the video files are here. I can select one of this video and then upload the video on YouTube. Before that, as you can see the arrow, upload arrow, you can click here to upload the video and find the file where you have located. Actually, I have kept my video on desktop folder, naming as how to upload a video on YouTube for Drukpa. This is the folder I'm looking for, and I can upload any video from this file. Here is the settings. Now you can drag the video from. Actually, you need to prepare your video before uploading onto the YouTube. Click one of this file and then open it. As you can see, the uploading progress is going on. Before that, you need to name you need to title your video. How to title box, and you need to give some brief description about how to upload the video on YouTube, as I have already prepared my description in how to upload a video like this way. If you have already prepared your description, you can just copy from there
just copy from there and then paste it on the description. And you can tag your video by relating to this, by relating the keywords that you have in the title box. And for the privacy setting, you have to want to show the video to the public, you can click on the public setting. If you don't want to show your video or the public, you can click as private. Now I will keep my video as unlisted because I don't want to publish my video right away. And the last setting is the thumbnails. The automatic thumbnail will be given from the YouTube website, which is not good for your video. You can customize your thumbnail and then upload. To upload a customized thumbnail, you click on this thumbnail, and then I don't have right now. If I have, I'll select one thumbnail from here and then it will appear on the page. For example, I'll click one picture here. Okay, I'll click this picture for example. If I click here, it will appear here. Now once the uploading is done, do it by done. Click it here and then your video is ready to go on network.
Thanks for watching my video, and if you like my video, give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe and comment me in the comment section below. And please try to read my description, video description, and give me some comment in the comment section so that I can help more people and make this kind of videos in the future. Bye for now, and I will see you in my next video.